Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Kendall and I am the Product Manager at Asa Abloy Opening Solutions Australia. I am thrilled today to announce the launch of the matte black Yale Unity Entrance Lock and Yale Unity Security Screen Door Lock. These cutting-edge products are designed to address the security concern faced by the homeowner today whilst providing the convenience of a seamless entry. We understand that security shouldn't compromise aesthetics. The Yale Unity Entrance Series in matte black finish offers sleek contours, seamlessly complementing both modern and traditional architectural styles. One common challenge faced by homeowners is managing access to both their main entrance door and security screen door. Our Yale Unity locks provide a complete smart locking experience, allowing you to control and share access to both locks through the one app, Yale Home. Taking this to the next level, when paired with the Yale Connect Plus Wi-Fi bridge, DualDoor Technology is activated. Taking the hassle out of unlocking and locking two doors, we've made this into one seamless solution for you. When the screen door lock unlocks, the entrance lock will unlock too. Close the door behind you and lock from the inside, the screen door will lock also. It is one less thing to worry about. Finding a smart security screen door lock can be a challenge to retrofit to an existing door. Our Yale Unity Security Screen Door Lock is specifically designed to fit most hinged security screen doors, offering an elegant and secure locking solution for homeowners. All controlled via the Yale Home app, grant access to trusted individuals even when away and receive notifications for when the family arrive home. Integrating your smart locks with your smart home system is crucial for a comprehensive smart experience. The Yale Unity Entrance Series with Connect Plus Wi-Fi bridge seamlessly integrates with the main smart home speakers, empowering you to control via voice assistant and set up scenes, as well as being able to monitor and control access from anywhere using the Yale Home app. Say goodbye to the hassle of managing separate keys or multiple locks and upgrade your home security and enjoy the convenience of keyless entry with the matte black Yale Unity Entrance Lock and Yale Unity Security Screen Door Lock. For more information, you can visit our webpage or contact your local sales representative.